Hello, good morning. Welcome to the morning session. All right, let's take it from here. Okay, starting from gold, let's look at what the market has for us today. Gold keeps pushing higher, but there seems to be no entry. And by entry, I mean the strategy, the bullish engulfing candle. If you are not new to the channel, I know this will not be your first time of hearing that. But if you are new, kindly go over the uploaded videos to have a broader view of the strategy. Let's go to the next pair and see. Obviously, gold is still bullish, and I'm still looking for bullish opportunities on gold. This is Euro USD. I was in this position 2 days ago, not yesterday, yes. And I did one ratio 3 around there, and I think it just triggered my second patch now. So I'm up plus 2% on this position, and I'm still looking for. You can see the entry model right here. This is it forming. Okay, this is the entry model right here. You can see the bearish candle formed, then the next candle that formed after took out the low formed by the bearish candle, then closed above it. Yeah. So to the next pair, let's see. She's USD and you can see this is an entry right here. But I was not in that position. Oh wow. This is one entry right here too. Formed at 3 a.m. That's a very nice position to be in. You can see the bearish candle closing below the bullish candle. And you can see it's wick going higher than the wick of the bullish candle here. That's just like 24 pips. That's a little more wide than I do. I do 20 pips. Okay, but that's a good entry right there. Obviously, that's a good entry. And my run 1:5. So to the next pair, this is GBP card, and I took a loss yesterday on GBP card. No, not a loss. I was even on GBP card. Yeah, I did 1:1, then I broke even, and I'm still waiting for entries like that. Oh, this is one right here. I didn't see this. This formed at 3 a.m. also. You can see this black candle, this black indecision candle. Then you see this white candle come, took out the wick from by it, then closed the body for above it. So if you're in this position too, this is a very good entry to be bullish on GP card. The entry right here, let's see how wide that is. I'm pretty sure it's not that wide. Oh, that's like 11 pips. That was doing like, oh, it did almost 1:3 already. That's a very good position. That's a very good position to be in, though I'm not in that position. And this is GBP We are still very bullish on GBP I took this trade and GBP stopped me out. You can see, came back to the entry after breaking even and went to 1:5. But that's that. Breaking even is better than losses. Now this is the same entry around 2 a.m. on GBP A very good opportunity to be bullish on. You can see this candle. Yeah, the wick goes far below it, then the body go close above this candle. Yeah. So this right here, let's see how wide that is. That's 70. Oh, that's a little wide. I won't go into that. I just like 20 pips, and let's see, it didn't come back to the entry. So that's that one. Was I in this position? No, I was not in this position at all because I just remembered it didn't trigger the entry. You see this right here? The entry was not triggered. But later came down into it. By then I already closed the buy limit position. So I was not in that position at all. Alright, to the next pair. Obviously we are still bullish, and based on the 4-hour structure, these things are still breaking highs. You can see this eye got taken out by this candle right here. This eye, this candle closed above it. This new eye too, this candle closed above it, and we are still very bullish on GBP AUD. AUD USD. AUD USD on this is the 4 hour. We are still breaking downward. And on the 1 hour, oh, look at this candle right here. This was the candle that formed. This is a very nice entry. I was even on this. I did 1:1, broke even around there, then came back, took me out. Boom. I think he ran 1:5 already. Oh wow. Yeah, he did. But like this kind of move is not really the ideal one I look forward to, because you can see the market going back to the entry, But this is another opportunity here on ADSD. Look at this black candle comes and closing below this bullish candle after taking out the wick. But that's very large, but you can see another one forming right here. I might be in this position. This is a very good entry. You can see the bullish candle, see it's weak on it, and the bearish candle came, took out the wick, went higher than the bullish did, and it's trying to close below it now. If it maintains this position or close way lower in less than 22 minutes or 21 minutes, I'll be in this position trying to sell right here, trying to sell GBP. No, that's AUD. We're trying to sell AUD right there. Let's see, that's like 7.1 pips. Yeah, so once my alarm goes off, coming to that. And GBP oh wow, on the 4 hour, right from this moment here, we are still breaking bullish, and this is another high. We've taken out another high. You can see this is the move. Yeah, this is the low, the high, the low. This is the new high, the low. But we are here to close above this new high, but obviously we are still breaking upward. And on GBP I took a loss on GBP yesterday. Got stopped out here because you can see the entry right here. So losses are part of it too. And obviously there's no formation of the bullish engulfing candle on GBP on the USD card. Let's see. Yeah, we are still bullish. I'm still very bullish on the USD card. Oh wow, you can see this forming right here too. Yeah, around 2 a.m. But I think it took out. Yeah, this is going to be a loss. Obviously took out the. You can see the wick. Yeah, the wick closed above. This wick came below it a little, so that's going to be a loss. But yeah, I'm still very bullish on USD card. Still looking for entries. And on USD CHF, if you all remember this position right here, though I was not in this position because of the losses I had during that day, so I had to just leave it, and I already reached my daily drawdown then. But this position did play out well. You can see doing 1:5. But I was in this one 2 days ago. Yes, no, that was yesterday. I was in this position on yesterday, and I already took my 1:3 somewhere around there. Then now, before I woke up, I already did 1:5 on it again. I took out the full TP. So this is the forecast on USD CHF. Obviously, let's see it rally up a little and make the formation again. Let's see if it's rally up a little, did form the thing again, and I'll be looking forward to sell on USD CHF. Alright, thank you for joining this morning. I'll see you in the evening. By the way, I'm still monitoring my entry on what pair was that? Yeah, on ADSE.